Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install apps on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To install apps, you'll need to go to the apps section here at the top of the screen. Then you'll find this search bar at the bottom. Click on it. Now the keyboard will open. You can select any type of app you'd wish. Let's search, for example, for Apple TV. And you can see has found it. Let's install it. And wait a moment until it finishes installation. Now you'll be able to open it from here, or just go to the home screen and find it on your home screen once it finishes installation. It did! Let's go to your apps and find Apple TV. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.